Hi everyone, Jeff here with InspectorPrime. In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about our training management tool that we have within the InspectorPrime Office software. Obviously, as an inspector, it's important to stay current on whatever certs or training that you might have required depending on where you live. So we at InspectorPrime have built a comprehensive way to manage all of your and your employees' training. So let's go ahead and get into the database. Okay, to get to our training management tool, we go to the menu on the left, down to training management. We will start in the dashboard. So just like all the other dashboards in InspectorPrime, this is meant to just give you a quick look at different metrics that you want to be able to capture quickly. So here in the dashboard, you can quickly look at who's overdue for training, what's coming up, what's in progress or pending, total training records completed, as well as these different charts and the actual training listings. So we'll go ahead and go into the actual training listings section. And you can see here, this is what we have chosen to track for our employees. So we'll just click into our sewer scope. You can see the different fields that you can fill out. So if you have a specific training provider, description of the program, maybe any supporting documents that you want to upload, like a training certificate of completion, that kind of thing, as well as these metrics. Pretty straightforward. So to add additional training that you would like to associate with an employee, you click on that, type in a name, we'll say it's in progress. Let's tie it to chimney. Type your description if you want to. Renewal, yes or no. Start date, we'll put this a few weeks here in August. We'll say it's a week long. And let's say we want Sam Wilson to get this training. We'll submit it. It pops up right here, and you can maintain tracking status of the training requirements. So again, it's just a really good way. I know it's easy to get into cycles of, hey, I'm complete, I don't need to worry about this for a year, and then before you know it, the year is up. So this is just a tool to help you keep track of what all training you need to do and what your employees need to do in one very easy to use dashboard. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and thank you for being an InspectorPrime customer.